Welcome to our whiteboard animation on Modiri Trade Channel with title, The Psychology of Trading, How Emotions Impact Your Decisions. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of trader psychology and explore how emotions can significantly influence trading outcomes. Meet John, an aspiring trader. Like many traders, John faces the challenge of managing his emotions while making trading decisions. Research in behavioral finance suggests that emotions such as fear, greed, and overconfidence can have a profound impact on decision-making. Studies have shown that emotions can lead to irrational behavior, causing traders to deviate from their strategies and make impulsive decisions. For example, during periods of market volatility, fear can drive traders to panic sell, leading to losses. To understand why emotions affect trading, let's take a look at the brain. The amygdala, known as the emotional center, reacts quickly to stimuli, triggering emotional responses such as fear and excitement. In contrast, the prefrontal cortex, responsible for rational decision-making, operates more slowly. In a calm state, traders can effectively analyze market data and stick to their trading plans. However, when emotions take over, rational thinking becomes clouded, leading to poor judgment and costly mistakes. Emotional biases, such as confirmation bias and loss aversion, further exacerbate the impact of emotions on trading. Confirmation bias causes traders to seek information that confirms their beliefs, while loss aversion leads to a reluctance to accept losses, even when it's the rational choice. So how can traders overcome emotional challenges? One effective strategy is mindfulness meditation. By practicing mindfulness, traders can cultivate awareness of their emotions and learn to respond to them in a calm and rational manner. Research has shown that traders who incorporate mindfulness techniques into their routines exhibit better emotional regulation and improved trading performance. In summary, emotions play a significant role in trading decisions. By understanding the psychology behind trading, recognizing emotional biases, and adopting mindfulness practices, traders can enhance their decision-making skills and achieve better outcomes in the market. Thank you for watching our whiteboard animation on the psychology of trading, how emotions impact your decisions. Remember to subscribe for more educational content, and happy trading.